Welcome to InfoComm 2026. I'm Tucker Downs, the Research and Development Manager here at rAVe, and this is our thrilling InfoComm booth. We've got a few new products here we'd love to show you, but one in particular, which I'm very proud to announce, was selected as the InfoComm Best of Show Award, or one of the InfoComm Best of Show Awards this morning, is the product Vanish Acoustic to my left. Vanish Acoustic is a 2.6 millimeter LED platform for fixed installation, and themed environments. So I think about theme parks, I think about artistic installations, themed environments, and that sort of thing, where you have an immersive audio design and you want to localize that audio in conjunction with the LED wall. Oftentimes designers struggle with where do you put speaker elements in an LED wall installation, because LED walls, being solid, make great sound reflectors and they don't make great speaker locations. So in this product, it's a 2.6 millimeter pixel pitch screen, but it's also acoustically transparent. So behind the product, we've got a speaker, and that speaker is playing localized audio in conjunction with that video content. Around the corner of the booth, you can see a window, which will show you from the back of the product how that works. And for more information, you can find us at rAVe.com.